Hi, my name is Marissa, and I'm a Turbo Kick instructor. I love this class because it's a great high-intensity workout with awesome ab sculpting moves. So get connected and find my class today and get ready to sweat.
Get on in, come on down on the party, begin. Get on in, like this, like that, make